Another video. In today's video I will be doing a undercut and I'm going to trim this at the top. However, I already did my undercut. I will put a picture of now. I'm gonna show you how I trim my hair, and I'm gonna try to get it cut like above my ears and like a, I don't know what you call it, but I'm gonna call it a little short bob above my ear. But yeah, so what I did, I put the band right here to show you, to try to cut it even. That's the reason why I got this band here. So I'm gonna use this band as a like a guard to try to make it even right here. So I'm gonna start with the back, and then I am going to cut it in the back, starting in the back first. So it's in the way, so I'm gonna tell you what I did here. I had sped this part up. So I turned to the mirror and I started clipping under the band. Just regular scissors. I was in town and I forgot to get the hair scissors, but it's best if you get the hair scissors to cut your hair. Not these. I'm just using these because I don't have the hair scissors today, but I am planning on getting some. But here is me finishing cutting the back of my hair off, and I'll show you the completed results coming up after I got through. I didn't want to bore y'all with this by letting you see me just clip it, so here we are. This is basically how it looks in the back right now. Here, you guys, I'm going to just talk y'all through what went on here. Here I took the band from the front of my hair and put it in the back of my hair, and then I cut my hair up under where the band was to get it as even as possible. I cut both sides, but when I cut the other side, I turned to the other mirror and I realized that y'all wasn't going to see that really good, so I'm just not gonna put that in the video. But basically this is how I do it. Put the band up under there. Now you see me going back and trim it, trying to trim everything up. And with that being said, go ahead, subscribe, like, click the notification button to see more videos like this.
Again, I'm gonna use the band for this side, try to get an even thing right here. So, and I'm gonna go to this mirror right here to cut this.
Trim up the little pieces, the ends that need to be trimming up. So, and I'll be doing that over here. But this is how it looks. Of course, I'm not a professional doing this. I'm just doing this on my own, trying to get it as even as possible. Okay. So this right here, I trimmed this part up today, and I just wanted to do everything in the same day. So yeah, I did this today. That was how it look in the back. This is how it look in the front. Hold on, I'm gonna clip, see if clip. This right here is my hair under here, so I'm not gonna do too much. It's gonna look like two layers right here. So yeah. So I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. And in about 2 to 3 months, I'll come back and I'll trim it, because I'm gonna start trimming it every 3 months, just to make sure when it grows as even as possible. With that being said, make sure you subscribe, like, click the notification bell to see more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below. You can say hello in the comments below. You can say hi. You can talk about how bad or how good I did in this video with the hair trimming. With that being said, until next time, I leave you with love, peace, grace, and goodwill. Bye.